Here's a quick tip to create shapes in Photoshop. Go to the Tools panel and click Quick Mask. Then go to the Brush Tools, select and then apply any of the brush strokes. Then click Exit. Now you've got a selection. So what you can do, go to Select and Inverse. Then you go to the Paths panel. You can find that in the Window menu. Right side menu, click and Make Work Path. Go with a value of 5 or 6 and click OK. With the work path selected, go to Edit and Define Custom Shape. Give it a name, click OK. Delete the work path. You can then use it. Just go over here to the Custom Shape tools. So select that. Go up here and select the shape. There it is. Set it to Shape, click Fill and set it to Gradient or Colours and apply. As it's a layer, what you can do, you can add layer effects. So go to Layer panel, go to Effects and then Bevel and Emboss. Set it to values such as these and click OK. The design can be repeated by simply holding down the Alt or Option key on your keyboard and dragging. And that's how you can use a selection to create shapes and all kinds of designs in Photoshop. Go to the Layers panel and select all the shapes. Then go to Layer and down to Combine Shapes and Unite Shapes. So all becomes one shape. Go to the Direct Selection tool and select all of those points. Go to the top, click and Merge Shape Components. Yes, and it will become all one shape. You can, of course, go to Edit and Define Custom Shape to add that as a new, even more complex custom shape. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you much.